Then, well, next up here tonight, Publix is getting sued. Former employees now claiming they were forced to work overtime without getting paid.
ABC Action News reporter Rebecca Petit looks into the lawsuit filed against the company.
Publix is being sued over allegations that it failed to pay some employees for overtime hours worked. Lawyers for 3 employees filed a lawsuit in federal court in Tampa on Thursday.
If they have knowledge and they're aware that this work is happening off the clock, they need to pay it. They can't just hide their head in the sand and say, oh, well, we didn't know about it because it wasn't on a timesheet or it wasn't on a time clock.
The plaintiffs are all assistant department managers at Publix stores in Florida, Georgia, and Tennessee. According to the lawsuit, Publix failed to pay the hourly employees for hundreds of overtime hours for work they did before clocking in and after clocking out, and while on unpaid meal breaks. It also alleges the company did not pay them for any time spent outside of Publix stores communicating with colleagues.
This is something we see in our cases across the country of off the clock work, especially with just being more and more connected every single day with our devices.
Attorneys representing the Publix employees tell me this is a collective action lawsuit, meaning any affected unpaid Publix assistant department managers can join in.
We're anticipating that this is going to end up being probably hundreds, if not thousands of people when it's all said and done that we're representing.
I reached out to Publix about these allegations. In a statement, a spokesperson said in part, as an associate-owned company, we are proud to provide our associates with a comprehensive benefits package, including company ownership, in addition to paying our associates in accordance with the law. We take these claims seriously and will respond appropriately. The Department of Consumer and Veteran Services in Hillsborough County saw more than 100 wage theft cases last year. The manager of Consumer Protection says if you believe you've been wrongfully denied wages, it's important to document it and report it sooner than later.
To have the facts, to have something that's showing what actually happened. Because sometimes there might be an arrangement, maybe it's verbal. If it's not in writing, it's less provable. But if there's text messages, if there's something, we'll take whatever we can get. We begin an investigation, we contact the other party, and then we try to work to resolve it.
Rebecca Petit, ABC Action News.